Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to keep working with login functions. And the first method that we're going to explore in this video is mflow.logDict, right? Well, in this case, as the name implies, with this method we can log dictionaries. So the parameters that it takes is the dictionary, the artifact file, and the ID of the run that we want to use as a container for this artifact. Now, this method infers the method to serialize the object depending on the extension. And we can log JSON, YAML, and YAML files in this way. So let's see some examples. Here, I have this run. I have this dictionary, right? And here I'm using logDict in two ways. I am specifying the artifact file, right, as a JSON file first, and then as a YAML file. And we're going to see how MLflow is able to detect these extensions, or to serialize the dictionary according to these extensions that we are indicating here. Now, let me run this and go to the interface to show you this. So we are working with the default experiment, login artifacts, and now we have two files, myfiles.json, and this is a JSON file basically, and then we have the YAML in this format. So MLflow was able to automatically detect or to serialize the object, the dictionary, into these JSON and YAML files. Let me go back to the notebook. Now the next method that we're going to explore is mflow.logFigure. We can use this to log figures that are like matplotlib objects and plotlib objects. For example, here I am creating a matplotlib figure, right? Just let me run this without logging just to showcase this. I can do something like this. And this is the figure or the matplotlib figure that I am generating and that I want to log, right? So in this case, I just have to use logFigure, provide the figure object, right, and the location in my tracking server. So let me run this code now and show you this in the interface. So let me go to default, the last run, artifacts, figures, and now we can see that we were able to log the figure. Let me go back to the notebook. And now another let's say object that we can log is image, right? In this case, I am generating a matrix using NumPy, right, to generate an image. So let me show you this image first before logging it. Here we have the image. This is basically a random matrix. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Noise, basically. And now I'm going to use the login function mflow.logImage to log this particular image. So let me run this. And now let me show you this in the interface. If I go to default, then the last one, artifacts, and now we can see the image in this location. Well, that was everything for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.